Wine is always good.
Wine is always good.
Cheers.
And some days even better. Cheers. We started a vineyard in 23, right? It's 24 now?
Yeah.
23.
2020.
We started cleaning up in October.
October, yes.
We left in November, right?
Yeah. December 1st, we landed in
Oh yeah.
Thailand
We had to leave because we can only be here 3 months at a time.
because of the Schengen.
Yeah, exactly. So, so then they planted 600 plants in February, right?
Right. Yeah.
Andrea hired they call them the Greeks. Amazing. No name, just called the Greeks. They do all of Piopi's land and stuff like that.
They do the gardening.
They do the
and,
gardening, and they did the planting.
Myra's Vineyard.
Yes.
Not Martha's Vineyard. Myra's Vineyard.
Correct. Correcto.
What a beautiful, beautiful Sunday. Sunday with the sun shining and your vineyard in the background, right?
Yeah, beautiful day, and look at that. Look at how it's growing.
Yeah.
Third, we start tilling, and then on the 6th and 7th, Tony and his gang started putting the plants into the ground, or the vines, and it's just amazing. They've been growing like absolutely crazy because of the nice rains that we've been having. 6th of April, the poles showed up. They dump it in whatever, like with a truck, just dump it sideways. And then on the 10th of April, Orazio started dipping the ends so that they don't rot in the ground. It's just amazing to watch. The 18th of April, the Greeks start putting in the posts in the ground. For every plant, one post. And then later on, what we're going to do is we take and we strap the vines to the posts. Fantastic. Well, on the 27th of April, Orazio and Joan and myself, we went to check to see how the vines were growing.
We are going to do a time lapse on that one where Joan has her foot. We took pictures and the date and everything goes on the camera. And it's going to be 1, 2, 3, the fourth one on the very first row of Myra's Vineyard. First they weed whack it all down. Now if the rains are almost done, we can keep it weed free. Oh, it's only 600 plants, but I love it. Kim, one of our great friends, and Maya, coming to check out the vineyard.
Of the plowing. Beautiful, beautiful soil. Look at this soil. Beautiful clay, black and clay soil.
Volcanic soil.
Full of volcanic ash.
Right.
Beautiful. Here's one of the vines. You see it around the corner?
I do, yeah. It looks beautiful, no?
Beautiful vine.
They're really starting to grow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. There's about 5 terraces. So I'd say about 20 rows. Long rows.
Yeah, beautiful.
Beautiful.
You're standing in your vineyard.
Yeah.
And the new house that we're moving into for a few days before we leave for Canada is called what?
It's called Rosmarino.
Like rosemary.
Yes, like the herb rosemary.
Yeah.
There's much rosemary growing on the property.
Yes.
But,
It's still a work in progress, but we're keeping track of it, right?
Up there.
Yeah.
And
we walked past it this morning. We'll go take a look at it now. What do you think, Chuck?
Yeah. The inside is completely done.
Yeah.
The outside,
beautiful.
They're working on the terraces, all that.
Well, Johnny, here he comes. Pretty good, eh?
Yeah.
Did you ever think you'd own a vineyard?
Oh,
The boys did a nice job, eh, Joan?
Yeah.
Of cleaning it up nice.
Yes.
Wow.
We've always wanted to start a vineyard, and here we are. Look at this place.
I know.
Myra's Vineyard. The idea was a good one. Perfect.
Okay.
Are you on now?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
2, 3, 4, 5. Go. Go.
3,000, 4,000 liters of wine to get drunk and stay drunk.
Yeah, exactly.
Myra's Vineyard, wine is always good. And a cup of wine. And
Yeah, fantastic.
Perfecto.
it's gonna,
It's gonna look fantastic.
Nice.
yeah, I love it.
Myra's Vineyard plaque by Orazio. Amazing.
So where are we gonna put it?
On a post here? Maybe we'll put 2 posts with the thing in the, in the western.
Yeah, it's a Western movie.
Our location, which is like 600-700 meters up the mountain towards Mount Etna, and it's very important to pick the right grape. We are about 12 kilometers from the from the fire and down and to the water. We're about 7 kilometers down to the water, but you'll see the pictures here. 1, 2, 3, and 4 are their housing locations, and number 5 is where we planted our vineyard. And the DOC is in the purple, and the grape is called Carricante grape. It's a fantastic grape apparently, and Tony is planting them here, and I think he planted on February 7th, 2024. And Joni is looking at a finished product here of vines, and she's thinking that by 2026 we're going to be eating grapes, and 2027 we're going to be making wine. Correct, Armando?
Correct.
Ciao.